I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring the ROM file matches your emulator and target system. Download or copy the ROM into a clearly named folder and verify integrity by checking file size or a checksum. Make sure you have any required BIOS files and the emulator installed. Place BIOS where the emulator expects it. Once done, launch the emulator and point it to that folder so the program can scan and list the ROMs for you to load without extra navigation steps. You now load the ROM inside the emulator and immediately configure core settings. Map your input, keyboard or gamepad so controls feel natural and tweak audio latency for crisp sound. Choose display options like aspect ratio and shaders to balance performance versus visual quality, and set save state locations so saves persist. If you need cheats or patches, apply them cautiously and confirm compatibility. Otherwise, leave them off. Make sure to test a short play segment to confirm everything responds. You finish by playing and making saves both in-game and with save states to protect progress. Periodically export or backup save files to avoid data loss. And if you hit crashes or graphical glitches, try switching emulator cores or toggling compatibility options. Often a different renderer or a single setting fixes it. Make sure to update your emulator and cores, and if a ROM won't run at all, verify integrity or try a different regional version. That troubleshooting step usually resolves most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.